Here's a good shot of the water running out of this walnut orchard. Got about 8 hours of accumulation here going in the drain into the canal, drainage canal. Okay, here's the same canal that I was at earlier today. And you can see it's also rising quite a bit. Porsche, just light to medium rain, but we still have quite a bit of runoff here. Hello again. We're back at that same canal about 7. This rain's supposed to let up in about an hour. See, sun shining, the water's receded to the new forecast, and see what we can expect for next week.